Bradley's, don't play with the chain on that one.
Okay.
Because it has to be controlled by the switch.
Okay.
You need like extra water? I need that clean.
I need what?
Do you need like extra water bottles?
No, I know. Not doing here. To do numbs.
Excuse me, that was right where I'm cleaning.
Are you done yet?
No, I'm not done with this counter space.
Too late.
Not that stuff, don't get shot. That's fine, and so.
Yep.
It just kind of like popped up. I wasn't looking.
Where's the gas station again?
The
Which
main-
entrance do I have to come out?
The main one.
When I came in, or no?
I don't know. you
Which
came in-
gas station?
You came in on Blackjack, it's the other entrance.
Do you
Well,
want?
you know what, you want Quick Trip or something?
At the gas station, I get in and out of easily.
On your way home, Quick Trip.
Just a Quick Trip, you gotta turn to the light, but it's not bad.
It's not bad, but it's the nicest one and it's on the direct on the way.
So when I go out Blackjack, which I'm assuming it's gonna have me go out again,
You're gonna go home, like go towards 95 interstate, and it'll be right there on your left. Past the, Corners, where we were talking the other night, and then we were talking about the new light. Yeah, cause you're like on your way to 95. But it's just
Daddy, what are you doing?
taking a video.
Like me?
No, have a ceiling fan.